Hey guys, welcome back. And if you are really new here, my name is Adimola and I'm a creative photographer who love capturing beautiful image. So don't forget to subscribe because you are about to learn something new. This shoot was in works for days, but it really came together when the model started her hair. As soon as I saw the hairstyle, I knew I had to create something special. I called in Ayobami, the talented stylist who brought this concept to life. So I told her that this is the model hairstyle. Please just come up with something beautiful. Because I had no cloth idea in my head. And she came up with this beautiful outfit. And honestly, I gave it to her. Then while I was scrolling on Instagram, I came across this TikTok guy going viral. He uses fruit to style himself and take pictures. And I'm like, you know what? We are going to add this. I told Elbami about it. She was like, oh, I love it. I told the model. She said, oh, it's really cool. I love it. Then they said it was a great idea, and the whole team was like, you know what, let's do it. And I was like, okay. We got to the studio, we're setting up, we're doing makeup, and everybody was just at the studio. Then someone was scrolling on TikTok and also found the same thing that what we were talking about in this video.
Let this see. That's what we're doing now. Yeah, screw you saw it. This guy saw the same thing. Yeah, just now. Yes, now. Yes, that was got inspiration now.
You saw the same video that I saw. I was like, okay, this is a sign I need to actually do this concept. So the whole concept was based on the vibrant green and the model with the beautiful melanin skin. That was just it. So everything green, her skin popping out from the green. That was the idea. Ayakachi began arranging the fruits in a circular pattern. We used a needle and a thread to hold them together. That's just like, it's very easy, it's nothing hard. Then my only worry about this shoot was the fruit becoming soggy after putting the needle and the thread. I was scared of that, but eventually after doing it, nothing happened. It was still even strong after the shoot. I was like, wow, because I wanted to like cancel the whole idea because I was thinking the fruit becomes soggy and all. It was just all in my head, but nothing really happened after doing it. It came out really nice. Now let's talk about the lighting setup for each image because I know that's why you guys are here. We are going through the image and the pictures. I know you guys are tired of my story, so let's go through it now. So the way we are going to do it, we are going to letter each image. We are going to have picture A, picture B, and picture C, and I'm going to explain each lighting setup for you guys so that you guys will understand and how I actually like shot the image. So for picture A, which is this one, I used a beauty dish with a reflector positioned under her chin. So it was very easy. The beauty dish was using a D600 and I just used this reflector under her chin, so it bounced light back under her chin, so that place don't become really dark. That's what I did here. Then I had a side light with an umbrella. Just the umbrella was really low, like the light was on like 128. I just wanted a soft light beside her so that place does not become dark. Then the reflector was helping under her chin and the other side. If you look at the way I placed the reflector, it's really nice. Then I had the air light just to help us light the grip, so it's comes out really nice and separate her from the background a little bit. And one thing I want to tell you guys is I shifted her away from the background a lot, so I had this depth of field that was really nice. So if you're doing your studio shoot, avoid your subjects going to the backdrop. If you want something like this, everybody has their own different concepts, but something like this, move your model or your subject forward. You know what you have to do next is your f-stop. Your f-stop has to be on like 2.0, or you can go lower depending on what you want to do, but 2.0 is actually okay for portrait like this. Then the ISO was on 200 and the shutter speed was of 1/180 of a second. Then something came to my mind. I remember that grape comes with this little branch, little branch tree. I don't know what to call it, but it comes with this little branch that you pull it off when you're eating grape. So I thought of it and had like the big one, like the big wooden branch props. Yeah, I was like, you know what, bring it to the studio, let's use it, because the idea just popped up in my mind. I was like, yo, bring it, let's do this, please. I love it. Then I kept it at the back of her. Like, yo, this shoot is completed. There's nothing you're telling me. That's how we come up with picture B. I went for a hard light with a snoot to shape the light and add another backlight with a cone. So the opening of this cone was really narrow, so it does not spread light around the background. It was really narrow, so it was at the back. Then I had this snoot just to shaping it. I like this snoot is beautiful. I spoke about this snoot so many times on my page. You can go and check. Here is high footage projector snoot. You can shape in the light anywhere you want it. So I just shaping it to this, and It was really nice. I loved it. I used the AD600 for the projector and another AD600 for the backlight and AD200 for the air light. My settings for this picture on my camera was ISO was 100, f-stop was on 2.2, and the shutter speed was 1/100 of a second. Now for picture C was really pretty similar to picture B in the terms of the lighting concept. But what I just did was I just removed the snoot and I kept it at her back while I had that small cone on her face. So it was like a hard light concept. So it's basically the same thing, and the air light was positioned the same way. So basically, I played with three lights with these shoots, and honestly, you guys can see that it came out really nice. I wanted to play with one light, but honestly, I just wanted something beautiful to come out. One light to also create something beautiful, which I will be doing in my video because I really want to challenge myself. So basically, we played with both hard light and soft light. You guys can see the difference. So if you have a soft light, you have soft box covering your light, you're going to get something like this. And if you have hard light, you're going to get something like this. You're going to get harsh shadows on your subject, which is really nice. Both are really nice. This is how I play with these two in the studio. And achieving this look came down to proper planning, which made all these differences. If you want to create something beautiful, make sure you plan it out properly and even create a mood board if possible. And during the shoot, be open to new ideas, just like the branch wooden props. It just came to my mind on the shoot, on the set, and I never planned for this, so it just happened. Don't forget to like this video. If you have learned something new, subscribe. You can check out the little vlog after this particular video.
Yes, now that small one again. Are you
After you apply, come and record this.
apply for what
I
exactly?
sent portfolio.
Come and record
Wait.
wait.
He did not reply me.
Nah, wait.
Come and put this out
You
there
need to put
when
this
I
on the
am
Mola
not
page.
replying.
You need to record this.
Why you end up calling your people the rapper? Why do you do that?
Hey, what's your own like this now? Why
I'm
you
not
just
busy. Why put this out there?
Why?
let me get your hand.
Did you reply that?
I'm going to reply me.
I did not see.
It doesn't. Don't be. I held him like this.
I'm coming.
I
He
held
didn't tell me. Oh.
He did not tell you.
He not tell me.
Say goat. Coco Mama.
I'll get your hand. Let me
Is
get
that
your
what
hand.
you say?
No,
Please
I'll
don't judge
text
me. It's
you.
a new page. You already disabled my old page. But let's work together. I am
First of all,
talent.
tell me your name and what you are doing here.
What are
What are you doing here?
I'm Excel, and I'm the model for today's shoot. Yeah,
Is that all?
we have to model now.
Do you like the concept about like
Yeah, let's give you star girl.
you see it coming out nice?
Yes.
Just say hi to that camera. Right? What's it?
Kayode Williams.
What are you doing here?
Obviously, I'm J Makeup.
Nice. Guy, remove that thing from your hair. So now we're about to do raising fruits to shoot, and her hair is like coming out really nice. Can you guys see it? Yes. So I love this hairstyle. It's looking really nice with this fruit and the makeup. You all can see. So we're dealing with green. Green is our color for today.
What's good now? Why not looking so much serious? What's good morning? Big man. Kind of.
He came to visit us on set.
I
He's
came
so
to
in
see
love.
God. As
Yes.
my videographer.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the place. Oh,
He's clicking now.
As per say, model and my own personal photographer, you get. So I have to be around.
Yeah.
Get the lucky. Praise the Lord.